Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I hope you're having a great day today. I am excited that it is October. Woo woo! I've had my glitter pumpkins up for a while and my little scary bird skeleton, and October is my jam. Halloween is my thing, and I don't care how early I start. We actually keep stuff up all year round. So we're definitely a Halloween family, and Rome's birthday is actually on Halloween. So we are lovers of the spooky and the ooky. But today I'm not doing anything spooky or ooky. I am going to be using the Hipdot Zion palette that we got in BoxyCharm this month. And I'm very excited to check this out. It is a beautiful palette. And I know I'm going to be able to make a very nice look with it. It's got lots of colors that I love. I'm thinking I might do some purples because I haven't done some purples in a while. And those are really beautiful. I'm going to just swatch a few of the colors. I don't think we need to swatch the entire palette because everybody's doing videos with this palette. But I'm going to pick out some special colors. Ooh, feels very nice. And I've had some interesting experiences with Hipdot in the past. Some good, some okay, and one like not great. So, but these look fantastic. And the shimmer looks great. And those mattes look fantastic. And I think this is going to be a great palette to do a look with. And it is a 15 pan palette. And let's get started. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started in here. I wish that I could play some Black Eyed Peas right now. I'm going to start in the crease with this color, and it says Wanderlust right here. It's kind of like mauve-y. I'm just trying to go in real easy with it. It seems very pigmented. Oh, so pretty. And it's blending out really nicely. Well, hello, Wolfie. It's good to see you, pal. Yeah, it's really pretty. Oh, and little girl's in here, little Ruby cat. The door is open. There's boxes out. Who knows what will happen next with the kitty cats here in the cat kingdom. I am so thirsty. Please forgive me. Delish. Ice cold water is probably one of the best tasting things in the entire world to me. I am going to go into the outer corner with this really cool shimmery purple. It's a little fluffy brush. Wow, that is beautiful. Maybe I won't do a whole purple, but I'll do a look with some purple. So beautiful. Can you see it? It's got a nice shimmer to it. I like to try to get even, but my eyes are two different shapes. It makes it difficult. But that went on so nicely. This palette is really doing very well. It's not disappointing in the least. I'm going to go into this dark purple in the crease. Me on the outside corner. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This palette is stunning. I wasn't that excited about this palette. I mean, I was like, Hipdot's all right. But this is performing so well. Trying to carry some of that darker purple into the crease a little. So pretty. And I think I'm going to, oh, it's so beautiful. I'm thinking about going with this beautiful pink for the lid. I think I'm going to go for it. Oh, it's pretty. There's a very beautiful, beautiful shimmers. Let's see, let's go under the brow with this one here. These are written really tiny. I can't wear glasses and put eyeshadow on at the same time. This is quite a dramatic look. I think I'm going to take this shimmer right here and put it in the center of the lid. Oh, yeah, that's breaking it up a little. Oh, that's really pretty. All right, now we're cooking with gas. This palette is really good. I'm very excited that it is so lovely. I'm going to start blending out and softening up the edges. It's just beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. This Hipdot is a hit. Let's do some liner. If I can find the liner. We'll use this KVD Vegan Beauty liner. Maybe I'll do some lashes. I really was not excited about this palette. Oh, so nice. Let's do some mascara. I am going to do the Pat McGrath mascara because I have it and it is delicious. Let me angle this mirror. It looks good even with just one coat. And I can't say that for A lot of mascaras. I got this with a combination with a really cool face mask as a set. I saw James, the Best Loaf MUA, and he was able to make his lashes look really great, this mascara. So I was like, what about me? And it's even working great on my left lashes, which usually are super hard. Sorry, another water. So sorry. So rude. But you guys know me. Good old Rhonda. Two coats is fantastic. I don't think I'm going to need lashes. This mascara is fantastic. I usually don't do a lot of second coats, but this is really making a difference in the length. Oh yeah, I don't need lashes. They look great. Super cool. All right, for the lip, I got a new dramatic lip. I don't know, it might be too dark for the, I think it's too dark. I'll show you my new Super Stay Matte ink. It is gonna look great with some fall looks though. It is like a ox blood color, but this does not need an ox blood color. It needs this color, which is number 80 Ruler, one of my favorites. And oh, it looks super good. Ruler is fantastic. And this is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte ink. It's less than $10 at most places. And I just love it. And it's made for a fantastic look today. I want to thank you so much for being here. This Hipdot palette is fantastic. I just love the look I made. It is so pretty. I have to give Hipdot a big thumbs up. Thanks for being here. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.